IDO. And in Partridge 2, apple turnover. What is the task? Well, your job is simple. If x squared is more than 1000, return it's hotter than the sun. Else return, help yourself to a honeycomb Yorkie for the glove box. Okay, how to go about this? Well, we have our code editor here. And here we have our first test case, a string of 50. So when we return x, we get 50, but when we return the type, we get a string type. And if we want to square that, is it possible? Well, I believe not. Yeah, here we get an error. There's a problem with the action that we want to perform on a string. We want to square a string, and that's not possible. You can square an integer, but not really a string. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to convert our argument to an integer type. And from here, we can actually start squaring it. Square the x, and what do we get? 2500. Having that out of the way, we can start off with our first condition. If x is more than 1000, sorry, if x squared is more than 1000, then we have to return this string. It's hotter than the sun. There we go. Of course, we have to return something, else will nothing happen. Else, colon, help yourself to a honeycomb Yorkie for the glove box. Return this string. There we go. And this should actually work. So let's copy this and paste it. That's looking good. Let's go back. As an extra bonus, we can actually change it to a one-liner. So what we have to do is to start off with the return statement, then the actual condition. In the first line, we can comment out because we can do the conversion to an integer right here. And then last but not least, the else statement. And that's this one. Let's change this up. Let's remove this as well. Line it up like it should. And there we go. Let's grab this and test it out as well. Here we have it, the one-liner. Test. Perfect.